That means apples and pumpkins for us here at Huber's Orchard and Winery.
Now gather round while I elucidate on what happens outside when it gets late. Along about midnight, the ghosts and banshees get together for their nightly jamborees. There's ghosts with horns and saucer eyes, and some with fangs about this size. Some short and fat, some tall and thin, and some don't even bother to wear their skin. I'm telling you, brother, it's a frightful sight to see what goes on in the night.
Start a family tradition? Bring out the whole family for a day of memories and apple picking. You can also take a wagon ride out to the pumpkin patch to see who can find the biggest pumpkin.
And he likes them little, likes them big, heart in the middle or a wig, black or white or even red. The headless horseman needs a head with a hip, hip and a clippity-clop. He's out looking for a head to chop, so don't stop to figure out a plan. You can't reason with a head.